guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you have seen from the title, we will be making rosemary infused oil. So of course you need your rosemary leaves and oil of your choice. You could use olive oil or coconut oil, and I'll be using coconut oil. Then I'm going to mix my rosemary into a clear bowl, which I'll be using, and I'll add the oil of my choice. So lately I've been obsessed with rosemary, and I have to admit my hair is really loving it. And there I'll just add the whole bottle of the coconut oil and make sure that it mixes well before I move on to the next step. So I have found rosemary to be so beneficial to my hair, and just to be honest, I have a bunch of the leaves and I have to finish them. So I hope you don't get bored with this rosemary experiments. And yeah, I'm going to be using a pan and water. This is the method I'll use to infuse my oil with rosemary, and it did turn out well. By the end of this experiment, the oil smelled like rosemary. You could not even know it was coconut oil. This is a few hours after letting it cool. You do not want to be playing with hot oil, so please be patient and just let it cool. And there's the filter that I'll be using, and I'll filter out the oil so that I can get the pure oil which I will be using on my hair. If you're new here, my name is Maria, and I do videos about natural hair. I do protective styling and DIY kitchen ingredients just like this. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and join the family. And to my subscribers, I love you so much for the support, and thank you for sticking with me. And I hope you do try this method, because the oil was really nice and it smelled so nice. I loved how it turned out. So this is how it looked at the end. As you can see, my oil is greenish because it got the nutrients from the rosemary, and it was smelling like rosemary. And this is how it turned out. I really loved how it is, how it smells, and everything about it. I do hope you get to try this method and make your own oil. And thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel and join the family. Bye.